Okay, Miss Alana back with part 2 of This is Monday. Okay, so this is Monday. We're going to do 6 through 10 in this part 2. All right, you ready? All right, let's do number 6. Read that with me, okay? If you have one $10 bill, 2 $1 bills, and 4 pennies, how much money do you have? Okay, let's read that again, and then let's circle or underline important details. If you have one $10 bill, I'm going to circle that. That's important. 2 $1 bills, I'm going to circle that. And 4 pennies, that's important, so we need to circle that. How much money do we have? So what I want to do, the strategy I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture, okay? So you can draw a picture too. So a $10 bill, it doesn't have to be a perfect $10 bill. I'm just going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to write a 10 on the inside. So there's one $10 bill. The next one, 2 $1 bills. So that means I need to have a $1 bill. How many of those? 2 of those. Another one. So there's 2 $1 bills. And then 4 pennies. Well, how much is a penny? A penny is 1 cent. So I draw 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how much money do we have all together? So we need to count our dollars first, okay? How much dollars do we have? 10, 11, 12. So we have $12. And how much cents do we have? 4 cents. Now we need to write it together. So how do we write that? Put a decimal point. And then to write 4 cents, we need to put a 0 and then a 4. Because remember, when you do dollars and cents, you have 2 numbers. Now you can't write 12 and then 4 like that, and because a 0 goes there, that's 40. Okay, that's not 4 cents. So that one's not right. Okay, so that's how you write $12.04. Okay, got it? All right, let's do the next one, number 7. Which choice best represents the height of a piece of popcorn? All right, how big is a popcorn? Is it 1 mile, 1 inch, 1 yard, or 1 foot? Let's review. So 1 mile is about from here to the gas station, okay? That's how long 1 mile is. Is that the size of a popcorn? Oh, no. Maybe a jumbo popcorn, but, oh, that'll be too big. No. All right, so it's not a mile. How about 1 inch? So 1 inch is about that much. Is that about the size of a popcorn? Yeah, maybe. So we'll leave that one blank, okay? All right, look at the next one. 1 yard. Do you remember 1 yard is about 3 rulers, 3 of these. If I stretch out about my hands like that, so from this hand all the way here, that's 1 yard. Is that how big a popcorn is? Oh, no, that's a big popcorn. So, nope, that can't be it either. What about 1 foot? Do you remember 1 foot is the same thing as what? Not that foot. Okay, not my foot. But it's about the size of my foot. Is 12 inches, the size of a ruler. It's about that size. About that size. Is a popcorn that size? Oh, no. So what's the best answer? 1 inch. All right. Are we good? You got it? Thumbs up if you got it. All right, we're good. Let's do number 8. Number 8, read it with me. Ned has $9 in January. By March, he had spent $8. If he got another $11 from his mom, how much money would he have? Let's read that again, and then we'll circle important facts. Ned, that's a boy's name, okay? Ned had $9 in January. So he had $9. I'm going to draw a picture. There's Ned. And he has how much? $9. By March, he had spent $8. Now, if he spent $8, is he getting more money or losing money? He's losing money. So let's go ahead and work that out. It's going to be 9. And what's the operation? Minus. Okay? So 9 minus 8 is 1. So now instead of $9, how much does he have now? $1. I'm going to cross that out and write $1. Oh, we're not done, okay? Read the rest of it. Don't forget to read the whole problem. If he got another $11 from his mom, how much money would he have? So if he got $11, are we adding, subtracting? What are we doing? We're going to add that to what? To the $1 he has. So I need to do $1 plus no, hold on. Oops. Oh, I almost gave you the answer. Let me erase that. All right, 1 plus 11 equals what? 12, okay? So there he is, and then I'm going to draw his mom. There's his mom. Hi, Ned. Here is $11, and she gave that to him, so 11, and then the one more is 12. So what's the answer? 12 what? $12. So the unit here is the dollar sign. You don't have to write the word dollars. If you want to, you can. I'll spell it for you. $12. So you can write it with the symbol, the dollar sign symbol, or you can write the word dollars. Okay? Are we ready for number 9? All right, let's do number 9. What amount is shown below? All right, so we see place value blocks. What kind of blocks are these right here? These are hundreds. Okay, don't get confused because you see they're stacked up on top of each other and then there's an extra one right there. What about this one? What kind of blocks are those? Those are tens blocks. Oh, we're missing something. What are we missing for this problem? Ones blocks. So, how many hundreds blocks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 hundreds. How about tens? How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. And then how many ones do we have? 0 ones. Oh, that looks like a donut. Now, put it all together. What's the number? 440. Now, you see it's very important to put that 0. Because if we didn't, imagine if we didn't do that, what would you have? 44? Is that right? Oh, no, that's not right. So make sure you write the ones. If there's nothing, don't just leave it blank. Put a what? Put a 0. All right, so I need to scroll down, and let's do number 10. All right, I need to erase everything first, and then let's move down to number 10. All right, so for number 10, it says, read it with me, use the graph below to answer the question. Now, see, some of you guys didn't see the question. The question was right here. What is the combined number of students who voted for spelling and who voted for reading? All right, so look at our graph. This is a bar graph. I'm going to write it here. Bar graph. All right, so here are the number of votes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are the different subjects. So history, reading, spelling, and science. They forgot to put math on there. Maybe because everyone's going to vote for math. I don't know. All right. Now, there's a key word here. What's the key word? The key word is combine. Combine means to do what? To put together. So when we put together, is that adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? That is adding. So that's our key word, okay? So we need to find the ones, how many voted for what? Voted for spelling and voted for reading. So let's look at the graph. So spelling, where's spelling? Right here. How many kids voted for spelling? Look at the graph. Look all the way across here. How many is that? 2. And then what's the other one? Reading. Let's look. Where's reading? Right here. And look at the bar graph. And where is that? 6. So now what do we have to do? Subtract. No, not subtract. Add. 6 plus 2 equals what? 8. Okay, you don't have to write it up here. I just wrote it there because I want to make sure you can see it. Okay, so 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now remember, don't forget your what? Your unit. 8 what? 8 desks. Oh no. 8 blocks. Oh no. 8 what? You can look up here. 8 votes. Okay? So that was easy enough. Make sure you finish all 1 through 10. If you didn't watch part 1, go back to part 1. Watch part 1. Make sure everything is correct. And if you don't understand, either come find me and ask me, or just watch the videos again so you learn. Okay? Got it? Thumbs up.